Welcome back. This is lesson number 5. In the previous lesson, there was an activity, and then this was the question, and then here is the answer. The chapter is still differential calculus, and today's lesson we are going to factorize the equation of the form ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d equals to 0. Example: solve for x if x cubed plus 8x squared plus 17x plus 10 equals. Method number 1 is the long division. Therefore, here we use trial and error. And then to use trial and error, it means you just pick any value which will give the expression on the left hand side the answer of 0, because on the right hand side we have 0. Therefore, f of -1 equals to into -1 cubed plus 8 into -1 squared plus 17 into -1 plus 10, and this gives us the answer of 0. Now, what is the meaning of this? It means x plus 1 is a factor, not x minus 1, but x plus 1 is a factor. And then here is our workings. So first of all, you write x cubed plus 8x squared plus 17x plus 10, and then you are dividing it by x plus 1. Therefore, you say x squared, x cubed, divide by x. The answer is x squared. Now you do the reverse, you multiply by x. So x squared multiplied by x, this gives us x cubed. And again, x squared multiplied by +1, this gives us positive x cubed. And then you multiply this by a negative sign. Here is a negative sign. And then now you add this. So x cubed minus x cubed is 0, so there is nothing here. And then 8x squared minus x squared, the answer is 7x squared. Now you bring down this positive 17x. Now you do the same, you say 7x squared divided by x, the answer is 7x. You do the reverse, now you multiply back. So 7x multiplied by x, the answer is 7x squared. And again, 7x multiplied by 1, the answer is 7x. Now you multiply this by a negative sign, as you can see here. So you add this. So we have 7x squared minus 7x squared. The answer is 0. So there is nothing here. And then here you say 17x minus 7. The answer is minus 7x. The answer is 10x. Now you bring down this 10. And you do the same. You say 10x divided by x. So the answer is 10. Now you multiply back. 10 times x, the answer is 10x. And then 10 times +1, the answer is +10. And then you multiply by a negative sign, and then you add this, so the answer is 0. Therefore, to factorize this, we are going to factorize it like this: into x plus 1 into x squared plus 7x plus 10, and then this is equals to 0. Therefore, we are going to have this when we factorize x squared plus 7x plus 10. Therefore, x equals to -1, or x equals to -2, or x equals to -5. Method number 2, algebra. So we have x cubed plus 8x squared plus 17x plus 10 equals to 0. So this is how we do it. So since we know that x plus 1 is a factor, so we write into x plus 1 into x squared plus px plus 10. Now we must determine the value of p. We don't know the value of p. So what do? We remove the brackets. When we remove the brackets, we are going to have x cubed plus px squared plus 10x plus x squared plus px plus 10. And now look at this. Here, after removing the brackets, we have the px squared, and here we have x squared. But looking there at the x squared part, the coefficient of x squared is 8. So it means when we add px squared and x squared, this must give us 8x squared. So this is how we do it. It's px squared plus x squared equals to 8x squared. Now we take out the common factor, which is 8 squared, which is x squared. Therefore, we are going to have p plus 1 equals to 8, and then solving for p gives us p equals to 7. So it means now we are going to replace p by positive 7. Therefore, we are going to have this, and then we factorize this. We're going to have into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 5. Therefore, x equals to -1, or x equals to -2, or x equals to -5. Here comes your activity. Solve for x. X cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. It's up to you. You can use any method. And please don't forget to subscribe. To subscribe here does not mean paying. It means to apply to take part in activity. Thank you.